Hi sweet people, I really want to say thank you for all of your kind comments on my last video. Your support and understanding means so much to me, and I truly apologize to all of you who feel disappointed. When I read your comments, it really warms my heart that many of you tell me that my videos have helped you, cause that is really all I ever wanted with this channel. So thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and your love, cause it truly means so much to me. I have read your comments and your many different suggestions, and I have decided to meet you halfway. The psychic videos will no longer be an active part of this channel, but I have made an unlisted playlist with the videos for all of you already following this channel, so that you can still watch them, but they won't show up in the YouTube search results. Whether or not this playlist will be permanent, I cannot say, so this may only be temporary. The link to the playlist is in the description down below. But as mentioned in my previous video, I won't be making any more of those types of videos, as I am no longer focusing on these types of things, so I hope you understand. I feel so lucky to have all of you here on this channel, and I hope my videos will keep being of value to you. So I want us to move forward together, making videos that can benefit you and your life. So I need to know what type of guided meditation you want me to make, and what struggles and goals you have, and how I can help. I want to make my videos as relevant to you as possible, so I am open to all of your suggestions and feedback. So let me know what you want and how my videos can improve. So please, in the comments down below, write the answers to these 3 questions. A. What type of meditations do you want? B. How can I improve the quality of my videos? And C. What do you like about this channel? Thank you so much for your feedback. I truly appreciate it. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.